Have you ever sensed that all eyes are on you, judging your every move? That's the spotlight effect. Today, we explore its science and social impact. Meet Alex, a regular person like you and me who often feels under scrutiny in social situations, thanks to the spotlight effect, our tendency to overestimate how much others notice and judge us. If he spills coffee, he feels that everyone is pointing and laughing. Or if he mispronounces a common word during a speech, he may think, "What are they going to think about me?" Social anxiety intensifies the spotlight effect, boosting amygdala activity. In one study led by Thomas Gilovich, participants were asked to wear embarrassing t-shirts in a room full of people and were later asked to estimate how many people noticed and remembered their embarrassing shirts. They estimated that at least 50% would notice, but it turned out that only about 25% did, revealing a significant overestimation. Unfortunately, constantly feeling in the spotlight leads to social anxiety, self-esteem issues, perfectionism, avoidance behavior, negative self-talk, impaired social relationships, reduced authenticity, and performance anxiety. Is there anything we can do? Yes. Challenge your beliefs, focus outward, try role reversal. Ask yourself, how much do you notice about others in their embarrassing moments? The spotlight effect is often a trick our minds play on us. So, remember, it's not as bright as you think. If you're enjoying our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button.